Heard a rumour that Powers Fasteners now carries blind rivets? The Spurway Cooke range, manufactured in Singapore using the highest quality wire available to ensure consistency and quality. Available in aluminium, steel, stainless steel and mono, a quality alloy containing approximately 60% nickel and 40% copper. Your choice of truss head, countersunk, large flange head, multi-grip, peel and sealed blind rivets. Powers also has a general purpose range of blind rivets in grade 5005 aluminium, which are available in the full colorbond range of colours in popular sizes. Spurway Cooke and Powers Fasteners, two names you know and trust. Blind rivets available now at your local Powers distributor.